Hi there. So you need to order an Orion DVD VCR remote control. Well, good news. You've come to the right place. All you need to do is click on the link below this video, order your brand new remote control like one of these or one of the many others that we have in stock, and it'll ship to you today. Hi, I'm Carrie from electronicadventure.com, where we have over 300,000 remote controls in our warehouse. And our remotes are not used, not refurbished, and they're not universal, which means there's no programming to do. All you have to do is put the batteries in and you're ready to go. And we offer a 30-day, no questions asked, no hassle return policy. So for whatever reason, you can return the remote for a full refund. And finally, to save you some money, when you get to the coupon code part of the process, go ahead and enter the code remote and the number 5, and we'll take $5 off your purchase today. So again, if you'd like to order an Orion DVD VCR remote like these or one of the many others that we have in stock, click on the link below this video, order your brand new remote control. It'll ship today. And if you have questions and you want to speak to one of our friendly, knowledgeable operators, just dial that 1-800 number that you see on the screen. Thanks for shopping with us at electronicadventure.com.